Welcome back, dear students. Let's start our session number 11 of your Unit 3 Employability Skill. That is how to write an email through the communication and networking sites. Now, we have seen that Gmail, how to work on Gmail or how to create an account. Now, how to write or type any of the message in Gmail we can access over here. Gmail is a free email application as we earlier studied. So let's us learn how to use it. To write a new email, connect to the internet and open your Gmail account. Type your gmail.com in the address bar as an internet explorer. To start Gmail, you need to sign in. As we have created the email ID, we have to sign in also. And in the given areas, click the sign in button. After filling your login ID password, you have to click on sign in. Then, as shown in the compose side or at the left top side of your Gmail account while opening it, there is a compose button. So you have to click on that, and after that this will open a new message window box. Let us understand with this an example. Mohan Padra wants to send Diwali greetings to his sister. Now his wife and daughter, he wants to do this by writing an email using a Gmail account such as to section of mohani@gmail.com is her login address or the sender things. Now if you want to send this mail, whatever mail or communication you are doing with Mohini to any another person, you just have to click on CC option. He types the CC action and he also mails the same thing to sagasika@gmail.com and shalu@gmail.com. Now in this way you can able to send the same message to different people with using the copy section. In the subject you can write whatever thing. Suppose if you are writing Happy Diwali, a topic you have to write main topic. Now he started to write the main body of that, which include hello everyone. Now this can change depending on whomever you are sending your message. Hello everyone, hello dear, or anything you can use according to it. Now he ends the email with the message of best wishes to by his writing name also. Over here you can see just he had created and forwarded to different people. The first one to the section, then the second one other IDs in which he want to send the same message. Now in subject Happy Diwali, main body, the beginning of the main message, middle, and the signature at the last. And after that, after typing your message, click on the send button. Just simply it will be sended. If you want to attach any more additional file, photo, or anything documents, you have to click on attached button as it can be seen over here. A pin type of thing is there in your Gmail box. Now attaching to a file, how to attach? Just simply click on the paper clip as a symbol. When you click on that, it will open a new window like this one. Now the window shows your file and folders on your computer. Find and then click on the file you want to attach and press OK button. Now the file will now show as an attachment in your email. The name of the file will be shown next to a paper clip symbol. And how to manage the folders? Whatever folder you want to select, just inbox, hold emails that people have sent you. Send folder holds the emails that you have sent to the people, such as draft also there in the folder section, that type of things which you had started to writing but couldn't able to send, or you want to send after few time or days. There is a junk or spam folder site also, which emails may had been not been useful for us, so it will directly goes to the junk or spam section. One last thing is there in the folders, that is the trash button. That can uh, trash can or folder holds emails that you no longer needed and that have to be deleted, not useful for you all. So to delete an email, you select an email and then click on the delete button for it to move from inbox to trash folder. So by this you can send your email very nicely, and it is a simple method to send or attach any of the files or folders in your mail address or messaging sites. Thank you.